How long does it take for mosquito larvae to become mosquitoes? Correct answer is 24 to 48 hours. Mosquitoes hatch in 1 to 3 days depending on the temperature. Eggs left on moist soil can last for up to a year until the ground is flooded again before hatching. When the eggs hatch, the mosquito larva comes out. Which is the world's largest island? Correct answer is Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island covering 21,75,597 square kilometers. How many fingers are found on a bat? Correct answer is 5 fingers. Bat wings are made of 2 thin layers of skin stretched over the bat's arm and fingers. Bats have a thumb and 4 fingers just like people. The bat's fingers are very long compared to its body. Which is the color of insect's blood? Correct answer is animals use blood to transport various elements such as water and food throughout the body in human beings. Blood is also used to carry oxygen from the lungs to the tissues. The oxygen is attached to a substance called hemoglobin, which has a characteristic red color. That is why our blood is red. Insects have blood too, but it is not used to carry oxygen. Instead, oxygen is distributed via an elaborated system of tubes and air sacs. Thus, insect's blood does not have hemoglobin and is not red. In general, insect blood is either colorless or pale yellow or green. In insects has red blood, it will be the blood of another animal on which it is feeding. Who presided over the first session of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is Umesh Chandra Banerjee. The first session of Indian National Congress was presided by W.C. Banerjee in Mumbai in 1885. The second session of Indian National Congress was presided by Dadabhai Nehruji in Kolkata in 1886. Which is the oldest mountain range in the world? Correct answer is Barberton Greenstone Belt. Barberton Greenstone Belt is thought to have originated nearly 3.5 billion years ago. According to scientists as well as the Guinness World Record, the Barberton Greenstone Belt in South Africa holds the distinction of being the oldest mountain range in the world. Who invented blood groups? Correct answer is Karl Landsteiner. Austrian physician Karl Landsteiner discovered ABO blood group in 1900. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 for this discovery. Why do doctors wear green clothes during operation? Correct answer is in early 20th century the doctor used green because he thought it would be easier on a surgeon's eyes. Green could help physicians see better for two reasons. First, looking at green can refresh a doctor's vision of red things including the blood stains, etc. of a patient during surgery. Second, such deep focus on red can lead to distracting green illusion on white surfaces. The cabin in which pilots of a plane sit is called. Guys, please write your answer in the comment box below and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.